This week has seen the delayed Cisco Live Digital 2020 and DevNet Day. Unfortunately, life got in the way of the main event for me, so I missed much of it, though social media was absolutely buzzing as people tried to make the best of it. But I was able to dip a toe into DevNet Day, and that was a real eye-opener. It was at Cisco Live in San Diego just last year, 2019, that we first started mulling over the idea of starting some kind of initiative to help mentor and educate network engineers in the new skills and ways of working that came with programmability and automation. Init 6 isn't quite yet a year old, but the glimmer of the idea came after a heavy day of a meeting with Cisco talking about these new Cisco DevNet certifications. So much has happened in that year for us personally and as a team. We've all been pushed and tested in ways we didn't expect, and have had the chance to meet and speak with people we could only have imagined at that time. New opportunities keep coming our way at every turn. Many of us have changed jobs, some even as a result of the work that we've done and continue to do with Init 6. But more importantly, the continuing changes in the industry we're all so passionate about. I want to put COVID aside, as that's brought a very unique set of challenges to all of us, and at least here in the UK, we're very far from being out of the woods on this one. But network automation itself feels like it's finally started reaching mainstream. With the DevNet certifications, and belated congratulations to all of you DevNet 500, you are trailblazers and we salute you. Suddenly, network engineers now have a choice of how they want to progress their studies and their careers. Fundamentally, if you're not thinking of automation as part of your development as a networker, you now have a path and a support system to help you get there. But more than that, network automation is no longer really a shiny new toy for network engineers. Up to now, we've been guilty, as anyone, of thinking that a networker, once he learns Python, will save the world. In my mind, it becomes clearer every day that we need to think more about this from a business perspective. Otherwise, the efficiency gains that come from improved automation of our day-to-day tasks will get lost in the mire of our existing network operations. We need to think of network automation as a means to a much bigger end, that of a new IT operations field, using automated processes in the delivery and maintenance of IT services to improve efficiency, sure, but mainly to improve the quality to the point where IT matches up to the desire of business to treat it as a commodity, as a tap it can turn on and out comes connectivity. This then leaves us as networkers to have time to focus on the bigger picture and the way networking delivers the foundation for our IT. To this week then, I think the DevNet specialization for partners is huge. It represents a shift in how businesses will engage with their network partners. No longer will install and run be enough. Partners won't be able to add to the accumulated pile of technical debt. We're entering a time when customers will want partners to work with them on providing automated, integrated management and maintenance of their network foundation using a different type of network architect, one who understands the business outcomes, the technical requirements to drive them, the operational implications of deploying the solution, and the automation required to integrate that solution into the wider ecosystem. About time.